Alright, this is Klipsch here with you today, and today a few of people who have commented on my videos on my previous videos of the R-15Ms, the Klipsch reference, and a few have commented on some songs that they wanted to hear, and here are two of the songs that I decided to do, and one of them is just one of my picks, so here you go. Alright.
It's been a long day, baby. Things ain't been going my way, you know I need you here. Clear my mind all the time. And baby, the way you move me, it's crazy. It's like you see right through me and make it easy.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the next track. Hold on a quick second.
Club and get shit cracking.
Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and go to my track really quick. Alright, so you just saw this is the new Klipsch reference entry series R-15Ms. Comment, like, and subscribe if you like the video. And I also, here is the RC62 center channel. I did not use that. I only used the two bookshelf speakers like the people commented wanted. Next time I could do a sound test for that, as well as with the bookshelves. So just let me know in the comment section, alright? Thanks.